so I am at, this is a Sunday run. I'm at the Let's Grow Together 5K. So, so they got a drawstring bag. Let's see what else do they have. Looks like an advertisement to like a fitness class. It is some other advertisement for, looks like some type of like wellness like item. Chocolate real placer. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's something. It's another sponsor advertisement for, I guess it's a performance drink or something like that. What else do we have? There's another advertisement. I don't know what that is, but oh, maybe I'll look some of this stuff up. Okay, and the shirt. Okay, with like all the sponsors. This is actually, I don't know. Yeah, this is actually a nice looking shirt. It feels nice. I don't know why extra larges just look so big now. Maybe it's because I got smaller. All this stuff looks oversized now for me. But yeah, this is all the stuff, and then the number, which is 160. But yeah, that's some good stuff in here. So yeah, it's a 5K. This is College Park, and I think I ran this course once. I think it was a Bishop's race. So if they're using the same course or whatever, I'm familiar with it. So it's mostly, I think it's mostly flat, if I remember correctly. So yeah, it's not gonna be bad. But yeah, first race of the month. But I got, I think 2 races for sure next month. Might be 3. I'm ready for this one. Alright. So there's quite a few people at this race. Actually more than I thought it would be. So this will be fun to run. A lot of sponsors.
No lo convocaron, ¿no? Es que ese marico le gusta el
It starts at like 8:30 for this race. So it's gonna warm up.
El amor se esconde en las esquinas y cuando menos te lo esperas, un beso puede descifrarte toda la vida. Te quisieron, deja de tener efecto, porque lo que tú has dado en
This course is mostly flat, so it's a good starter run.
Estamos ready. 30 segundos, mi gente, 30 segundos. ¡Vámonos, vámonos! ¡Actívate! ¿Dónde quedan ustedes? Dale, pipa. 3, 2, 1. Ven, para acá, ven. Acá, mira, para aquí, para la vista. No, aquí, mira.
All right, so the plan for the day is to get 30 minutes, well, under 30 minutes. This course is, like I said before, like pretty flat, so it shouldn't be too hard to do that. I haven't run it since like 2024, but I was like under 30 for that. All right, going pretty good on the first mile. Probably like a 8-minute mile pace, like closer to 9. So I'm going pretty good. The weather's fine. 9:12 after 1 mile. So yeah, I'm ahead of schedule. 2.1 to go. Yeah, it feels pretty good to be back out here and be in a race. It's been a while. I miss this feeling. But let's keep on going. All right, coming up on the second water stop. I should be a little bit over the halfway mark. So, yeah, I'm going pretty good. Hit the Wamata train. So, I'll keep on going.
Just like car accident.
Get close to this finish line. It's a nice part. It's been a while since I ran it though. But yeah, I feel good. Yeah. Seems like everybody else is enjoying the race. Or the walk, or the biking. Keep on going. 19:07 after 2 miles. So yeah, I'm in good position for this last 1.1. I'm definitely gonna shatter my time for 2024 when I ran the. Yeah, let's keep on going. Let's get to this finish line. All right, 4K down. Got one more. One more. Then I'm at the finish line. All right, we almost at the finish line. We almost there. We're gonna get there. We're gonna celebrate and focus on the Baltimore 10 miler next. Yeah, doing good. Now there's a small tunnel and close to the finish line. Come on, we're almost there. 28 minutes after 3 miles. So, yeah, and I can hear the people. Come on, let's push to the finish line.
Congratulations, brother.
Hey, all right, I made it to the finish line.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Yeah, there we go. This is what we run for. Oh, nice. Oh, man. I feel good out there. Oh. Yeah, definitely feel good after that. All right, yeah. This is what we run for right here. Make it to the finish line. Whew. So we still got people finishing. Nice celebration.